Guys, I apologize. This is an impromptu, unedited video, but I just wanted to let you know that I figured out a way to make these casters even cheaper, which is amazing. So I was going for a walk with my wife, and I was telling her what was going on, and I realized I've got more of these wheels here. 8 of these wheels is $29. And if you only need 4 of them, that means they're actually $15 instead of the $24 for the other set. But the interesting thing is, if you take off your old wheels from your old casters, the spacers fit in there perfectly. And this is super tight. And basically that means you don't have to spend the extra $10 or the time cutting spacers. I will probably make an actual build video when I have time, but it is Sunday evening. It's raining. I'm tired. It's been a long day, and I just wanted to give you a quick little update because that's exciting. So that basically brings it down from $80 to $70 if you don't buy the washers. I mean the spacers. And you know, over the long haul, even though it's $29 for 8 of these wheels, you know, technically for a set, you're paying $15. So it's some savings there. Tell me what you think.